Assalamualaikum class 5. This is your SST class. I'm your SST teacher, Ma'am Noreen. Let's start your SST book. Unit number 1, Word Geography. Your first lesson is about maps. As you know that our earth is round shape, sphere. Sphere mean round. So it is not easy to show the surface in a flat drawing. Now what is a map? A map is a drawing made to show an area of the earth. This area can be the land or the sea or both. There are many kinds of maps. Physical map. This is a physical map. It shows hills, mountains, rivers, valleys and other landforms. Next is your political map. Political map shows towns, cities and borders. Relief map shows the height of hills and mountains. Now come to the next page. Longitude and latitude. To make it easy for us to find a place on a map, we use an artificial grid. This box is called a grid. You can see the horizontal and vertical lines over here. The vertical lines are drawn from north to south. These are called your lines of longitude. Okay? And between these lines there is a prime meridian, 0 point. You can see from 0 in the middle, here is 0 and 0 to onward 180. इस तरफ आए 180. These are called your lines of longitude, and from east to west are called your lines of latitudes. And between these lines there is a 0 point that is called your equator. These are east to west are the lines of latitude, parallels of latitude, and these are your lines of longitude or meridians of longitudes. Now the equator is the line of latitude which goes all the way around the middle of the earth. Equator मैंने आपको पहले बताया, this is your equator and it divides the earth into the two parts, northern and southerns. You can see easily of here 0 point in the middle and ऊपर जाए आप 90 डिग्री तक, नीचे की तरफ आए तो 90 और 90 आपका क्या बनता है 180. तो ये ग्रिड जो आपका कंप्लीट ग्रिड है, दिस इज ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 360 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ all the meridians pass through the poles and area of equal length. One of these lines has to be 0, जो आपको मैंने बताया. This is called the prime meridian and it passes through Greenwich, a place in England. Now what is ideal? Ideal is it is known as the international date line. It is neither east nor west. When we cross the ideal traveling towards the east, we gains 1 day, and when we are traveling towards the west, we lose 1 day. Okay, now next, how to study a map. We can study a map with the help of directions, grids and keys. Directions mean that each map has the direction key: west, east, north and south. And there are also the intercardinal directions: northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Now with the help of grid आपने पिछले पेज पे देखी, इसी बॉक्स को ग्रिड कहा जाता है जो मैंने अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. तो ग्रिड की मदद से हमें इजीली पता लग जाता है कि these are imaginary lines, so we can't see them on the earth's surface. To find a place on a map, we find grid reference. Key mean चाबी, ताले की चाबी नहीं बेटा, चाबी का मुराद क्या मुराद है, जैसे आपकी की बुक्स होती हैं. तो ईच मैप हैज़ अ की. It tells us what the symbols and colors used on the map mean. For example, look at this picture. There is a key. Look, orange color shows road. Look, these orange colors, ये आपकी roads हैं. Blue color, rivers. और इस जगह पे देखें, they gave us a scale. For example, 1 centimeter on a map may represent 1 kilometer on the earth. If the map has to show a very large area, 1 centimeter may represent 100 kilometers. So this is called your keys. So with the help of directions, grids and keys, we can easily study a map. Now what is atlas? A book of maps is called an atlas. Every atlas has an index at the back. An index is a list of the names of countries, cities, mountains, rivers, volcanoes in alphabetical order. And with the help of this index, we can easily study a book of maps that is called atlas. Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz.